Hello children, welcome back to computer class. I hope you all are fine at your home and stay safe. Today we will read the next topic of chapter number 6. Today our topic is enhanced themes. As you know that the theme affects the style of the whole document. Word 2010 now comes with various newly enhanced themes. You may apply the theme from the page layout tab. The live preview features is also available. By clicking the themes button, you will see a gallery which represents the available themes as thumbnail images. Next topic, artistic effects. In Word 2010, users can now apply a number of snazzy artistic effects to the pictures. In order to add the artistic effects to your pictures, navigate to the following option. First, click the picture that you want to apply an artistic effect to. The Format tab will appear. Click the Format tab. Then click Artistic Effects command. A drop down menu will appear. However, how, hover over the different presets to see a live preview of each one. When you have found a preset you like, click on it. To adjust the setting for the effect, click artistic effects again and select artistic effect option. Means कि if you want to effect on an artistic effect to photo, then you have to click firstly to the picture that you want to have to apply on it the effect. Then you will click the format tab and the format tab will be open. After then a drop down menu will be appear and uh, how here is written how over, that is not hover, it's a how over. The different presents to see a live preview of each one, and then you click on preset that you want it, and after then the effect will be come. Okay, new art effect in word art. Just like other features, word art has been updated with new colorful art effects. Select the text, click insert tab and then word art in the text group. A list of the available options will be displayed. New art effect in word art. Here is shown that word art has been updated with the new colorful arts effect. Select the text, means if you want to select a new art, then you have to firstly click on insert tab and then word art, and you have to see the effect of the arting. Okay, improved spell check. Word 2010 has some new features added to its spell checker. Now it will detect the mistakes and suggest for changing the sentence. Spell check that will improving in your spellings and grammars mistake, that will improve in it. Okay, next topic, crop to shape. The crop tool in Microsoft Word 2010 allows us to remove unwanted areas of an image inserted into the word. But do you know that you can crop an image to a shape too? There are varieties of shapes available for us to use as cookie cutter. The crop tool is available on the pictures tool contextual tab whenever a picture is selected. Clicking the top half of the crop tool button activates the standard rectangular copies area that we can resize using the drag handles on the corners and along the edges. However, if you click on the bottom half of the crop tool button, we see the option crop to shape. इसमें ये बताया गया है आपको कि क्रॉप आप कैसे करते हैं, किसी भी शेप में आप किस तरह से ला सकते हैं. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे शेप्स दिए हुए हैं जिनसे आप अपने इमेजेस को या फिर पिक्चर्स को उसको क्रॉप करके, जो अनवांटेड चीज़ है जिनको आप नहीं चाहते कि आप देखें, तो इसलिए उनको वहाँ से आप हटा करके उस एरिया को क्रॉप करके आप अपने इमेजेस को शो कर सकते हैं, जो आप सिर्फ देखना चाहते हैं, जो आप उसमें चेंजेस लाना चाहते हैं. हाउ hovering over the crop to shape option displays a gallery of different shapes that we can use. Select a shape. Now we can see the shape superimposed on the pictures. We can resizing the cropping shape by dragging on the resize handles. When we are happy with the way the shape looks, pressing enter will perform the crop and the part of the pictures that are outside the shape will be removed. Okay. Any pictures effect we now apply are applied to the crop shape of the image. In this chapter, you will learn how to format your document in more presentable manner. We will read this topic in new video. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.